Welcome to the instructions video for the Voltage Regulation Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you determine the percentage voltage drop between no load and full load conditions in transformers, generators, and power supplies. It's an essential tool for evaluating power system performance and stability. To use this calculator, you'll need two measurements from your electrical system. First, enter the no load voltage, which is the output voltage when no current is being drawn. For our example, let's enter 125 volts. Next, enter the full load voltage, which is the output voltage when the system is operating under its rated load. We'll enter 120 volts for this example. Once you've entered both values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the voltage regulation percentage using the standard formula. In our example, you'll see a result of approximately 4.17%, indicating a moderate voltage drop under load. Lower percentages mean better voltage regulation and more stable power delivery. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.